Since this video is completely time-lapse, I'm just going to do a voiceover to describe what's going on. In the first handful of pictures, you can see the tub in its original form once we got it back from the strippers, and took it to Jerry Week's shop. The bottom is scratched, bang, out of shape, and that's what Jerry's going to fix for us. That's Jerry right there. You can see he defined the lines in the bottom of the tub where the brakes were, and is just working on straightening them out using all kinds of different sheet metal techniques. And this next picture that's coming up is pretty much what it looked like when it was finished. Doesn't look like much, but there is a lot of hours in getting it to that point. Most of them we couldn't document because obviously he works when we're not there. Right here you're seeing us starting to reinstall the seat pan or the seat back into the tub, and it's done with solid rivets and a 2-part epoxy. Once you get the epoxy mixed up, you'll put a bunch of Cleco fasteners in it to hold stuff in place and pull them out one at a time, and then put a solid rivet in its place. You do that in a method referred to as bucking a rivet. You use an air hammer and essentially a steel block to back the rivet so you don't deform the sheet metal when you just want to deform the rivet to hold the two pieces of sheet metal together. Here you see we're starting to put the steering frame back in place. Same thing, it's all solid rivets with a 2-part epoxy. And once you mix it, you gotta go. So sometimes when they ask you, you give them a hand, and other times you just stay out of the way. You don't want to be there when the epoxy starts to harden up and you're still trying to work on it. That was pretty much it. After that, we'll load it in the truck and it'll go back to the shop. I'd like to thank Jerry for all his skills and the sheet metal work he did on the 29 Lotus. It came out great.